Hello, my YouTube family members. Welcome back to this channel, and a very good morning to all the viewers who are watching this video right now. And back with another interesting video. So, guess what, guys? Today we are going to Panimur waterfall. So guys, I and my friend had a very strong desire to visit this beautiful place from the past few years back, and finally today our dreams come true. So as we are approaching the Panimur, we are filled with excitement. So right now we are gearing up and traveling to see the Panimur waterfall. So how exciting it is, right? So if you want to witness the beautiful Panimur waterfall, stick till the end of this video and enjoy watching this video. So guys, on our way to Panimur, we enjoy a lot, okay? Singing a song and cracking jokes, and our day is full of happiness. And our eyes can capture the beauty of the forest trees, as you can see around us, and we are moving forward towards our destination. And finally now we reach our destination place, and we all get off from our vehicle, and we saw friendly lady, okay? So you can see there friendly lady selling a panipuri in the Panimur location.
Yeah, panipuri.
So we all went there and talk to her and eat panipuri, and after eating like we move forward and reach our final destination, where we all put off our bags and relax for some time, enjoying the Panimur waterfall. But we all cannot wait to experience the beautiful waterfall, so we all decided to take a boating experience, okay? So we all bought a ticket and get in the boat and started exploring the beauty of this Panimur. As you can see there, my co-passenger faces are filled with excitement, and yeah, they are very, very happy, taking pictures. Actually, I feel so good to be here. Yeah, sailing on the boat, and as you can see, my co-passengers, they can't stop like taking pictures. And guys, here it is, the Panimur magnificent waterfall, standing tall. Wow. The sight took our breath away, and filling us with awe and wonder as we stood in silent reverence before this nature masterpiece. And today, as you can see, my co-passenger's face, as you can see them. And today, guys, we all feel blessed and feel lucky enough to capture this hidden gem of Panimur. So if you guys also want to explore the gem of this Panimur, the beautiful gem of this Panimur, you can do visit. I recommend you to visit this silent and beautiful place. And guys, lastly, after experiencing the boat ride, with smile on our face and heart full of joy, we made our way back to our accommodation, and we already planned our next visit to this enchanting place again, and we all leave Panimur with a big smile on our face, and we move towards Tularam cave, which is also a tourist destination in the town of Umrangso. So guys, do check out our channel to see more and more exciting and interesting video. So thank you so much for being a part of this video. Till then, see you again in the next video.